So today I'll be reviewing the VAVOSPORT Kids Soccer Goal Set. Thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. Inside of the box, you get everything you need for a full soccer setup. 2 foldable 4x3 foot soccer goals, a size 3 kids soccer ball, a manual for step-by-step guidance, a needle pump for the ball, 10 training cones for drills, 8 U-shaped ground sticks for stability, and a portable carry bag to take the fun anywhere. This is a complete all-in-one kit designed for ages 3 to 14, whether it's for casual backyard games or skill building practice. My nephew here is helping me pump the ball. As you can see, it is simple and kid-friendly. The included pump makes inflating quick and easy so kids can get straight to playing without waiting. Next up, we set up the goals. The frame is made from heavy-duty 450D rip-resistant Oxford fabric with thick 10mm fiberglass poles for strength. The 3-layer polyester net is built to handle daily practice and powerful kicks. Installation is straightforward. Slide the poles into the sleeves, snap the L connectors, and secure the ground sticks. It's quick, no tools needed, and the kids can even help set it up. Once everything is together, you can see how sturdy the design is. The goal stays in place even during intense play, and they fold down easily into isosceles triangles for storage or travel. My nephew sets up the cones for drills, and here's a close-up of the net, reinforced and durable, made to last. This setup isn't just about shooting goals, it's also perfect for daily agility training and goalie practice. Now for the fun part, playing. The kids are kicking goals, the dog's running around, and everyone's having a blast. That's the real value here. It builds family fun, skill building, memories that last. It works in your backyard, at the park, or even at the beach. If you're looking for a soccer setup that's durable, portable, and fun for the whole family, the VAVOSPORT Soccer Goal Set is a must-have. Don't forget to like and follow, and I'll leave the link down below so you can grab yours today.